We have a question from Polkeet, and I hope it's Polkeet. If it's Polkit, I apologize. I grew up in Kentucky. I'm a country boy. I'm not that great with all the names, but it's a really good question. And they ask, can you please tell us, A, how many changes did Google make to their primary search algorithm in 2009? And B, is content still king, or is something else, like structure, taken over? So my rule of thumb is that we tend to make a change to our core search algorithms at least once a day. So we might batch it up and go to a meeting once a week where we talk about 8 or 10 or 12 or 6 different things that we would want to launch. But then after those get approved and we're convinced that they work and they work well in a lot of different languages, those will roll out as we can get them into production. So once you've got the pipeline churning, on average, we tend to roll out 350 to 400 things per year. So about one thing per day that can be a change in how we segment a language, or better synonyms, or a web spam improvement. But those are things that are significant, but not always noticed outside of Google. Is content still king? I think content is necessary. It's not always sufficient because people have to find out about your content. You have to find out some way of marketing to people, or getting the authority or the reputation where people will come to you to find out about your content, or find some hook or some appealing way to get people to want to find out what information you have. But if you don't have good content, it's a lot harder to do good search engine optimization for your site. So I would start with that, and then once you have good content, think about how to find out where the rest of the world is so that you can sort of tell them, hey, this is this great content that I have.